The family of a 5-year-old boy whose body was discovered in Piri is speaking about the pain of losing him as well as the difficult ways of waiting to lay him to rest. The boy went missing on the 2nd of August and his body was later found 2 days in an open field in a disturbing condition. His mother, Gugu Mazibuko, says the family had to wait for DNA processes to be finalized and will only be able to bury him this week. Mazibuko remembers his son as a bubbly and social young boy who dreamt of becoming a firefighter.
Usapho lwenkwenkwane neminyaka emihlanu kwindawo yasePhiri omzimba waye wabhaqwa ukwimo engentle utshisiwe walunywa nazizinja. Xa kungoku lunika ingxelo ngobume besimo sukela oko kwenzeka isisehlo. Umama wale nkwenkwana uGugu Mazibuko ubalisa ngendlela lelahleko edale unxunguphalo ngayo.
Miserable family yonke because nathi akuna peace sisodwa sigcine sesilwa sodwa ama-enga wethu siwakhiphela towards each other so kunzima ngifuna ukutshela amanga kunzima for wonke umuntu kunzima nje azi nokuthi ngizoyithini but kunzima because manje khani kuzokhishwa umzimba womntwana today uya ku-moshari ye-private ezokhona ukusingcwabela since umntwana libela la i-government moshari simele ama-DNA. Sisalinde ama-DNA because sesawayenza eSeptember asatha 7 days. Then i-7 days yambe iphela Friday. So ama-DNA sawalanda izolo. Hayi silindi kube isikhathi eside siyazi kunzima angifuni ukutshela kunzima like yo.
Embindini walenhlungu lomzali ubalisa ngendlela azomkhumbula ngayo unyana wakhe ekwamemelela nokuba afumane ubulungisa ukuze ukufa kwakhe ingabi lilize.
Beka bubbly, beka loving. Okumuntu wabantu mntanami athanda ukukhuluma, bekathanda ukukhuluma shem mntanami. Okuningi besingakuboni because bekasasemncane. Into nje bekayithanda nje kuba i-firefighter, thanda amablomu. Ayikhulumele bekasasemncane bekasasemncane. Yeah, bekasasemncane shem. Yazini. Mina ngicela ukuthi babanjwe labantu abenza into ebuhlungu kanje emntwaneni wami babanjwe baboshwe umthetho awuthatha indima yayo babanjwe baboshwe because angazi nokuthi mina ngizophila kanjani angazi because what if lo muntu owenze lento umuntu engihleka naye everyday ngidlula nayo romunye wabantu abazayo abangiduduzayo angazi ngizosithola sengihamba ngisola wonke umuntu manje ngisola nabantu abangayenzanga nix yo angazi umthetho awu investigate bathole aboshwe lo muntu
lo mntwana uza kubekwa kwikhaya lakhe lokugqibela ngolwesine wale veki. Kwindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eDeep Kloof.